The 2026 Ram TRX represents the pinnacle of high-performance off-road trucks, continuing its legacy as a formidable contender in the segment. Equipped with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, the TRX produces an astonishing 702 horsepower, allowing it to achieve remarkable acceleration and off-road dominance. The truck's sophisticated suspension system, featuring adaptive dampers and specialized off-road tuning, ensures exceptional handling across diverse terrains. Moreover, its reinforced chassis and advanced all-wheel drive system provide an optimal balance of durability and agility, making it a highly capable vehicle for both extreme environments and highway cruising. In the European market, the Ram TRX has garnered significant attention, particularly for its combination of raw power and refined luxury. Its presence at the International Pickup Awards, IPUA, in Croatia underscores the growing interest in American-built high-performance trucks within a region traditionally dominated by more compact, efficiency-oriented vehicles. European automotive enthusiasts have praised the TRX's aggressive styling, premium interior, and cutting-edge technology, which includes a state-of-the-art infotainment system and driver assist features. Despite its many advantages, the integration of the TRX into European roads presents notable challenges. The vehicle's substantial size may prove cumbersome in urban environments characterized by narrow streets and compact parking spaces. Additionally, while the TRX excels in straight-line acceleration and off-road prowess, its handling characteristics may require adaptation to Europe's winding roads and tight corners. Furthermore, stringent emissions regulations in certain European countries could pose limitations on the truck's long-term viability in the region.